Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will continue learning the Russian alphabet from scratch, and by the end of this lesson, you will finally understand how to Russian reading works. If you missed the previous lesson, don't worry. We will start with a quick express review of all the letters you already know, just to refresh how they look and how they sound. Then we will move on the remaining letters of the alphabet and learn them with examples. And finally, I explain vowels, consonants, soft thing, and hard thing words in Russian. Let's begin a very quick review of the letters you already learned. Just repeat their basic sound in your head as you hear them. A, O, M, K, T, N, R, S, E, I, L, P, U, F, H, C, Ch, Ш, Щ, I. Great! Now let's learn the rest of the Russian alphabet with examples to help you remember them. B, brat, brother. This letter sounds like the English B, but softer and smoother. V, вода, water. G, гора, mountain. D, дом, house. Ж, жук, beetle. This sound is similar to the S in measure. Z, зуб. Tis, сыр, cheese. This vowel has no equivalent in English. It's like saying E, but pulling the sound deeper into your throat. Это, this. The sound is like the English short E, as in red. Ёла, spinning top. It sounds like you. Яблоко, apple. It sounds similar to ya. Great! Now you know the full set of remaining alphabet. In Russian, letters are divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels are very important because they influence how consonants sound. Russian vowels are O, U, E, I, Е, Ё, Ю, Я. Some vowels make consonants soft and some keep them hard. This is one of the key rules you need to understand to read Russian correctly. In Russian, almost consonants has two versions, a hard sound and a soft sound. A consonant usually becomes soft when it is followed by one of these vowels. Е, Ё, И, Ю, Я. These vowels automatically soften the consonants before them. For example, La is hard, Ля is soft, На is hard, Ня is soft. You can think of soft consonant as having slight Y glide in them. Its light, pleasant sound very characteristic of Russian speech. If consonant is followed by A, O, U, it usually stay hard. The soft sign does not have a sound of its own. Its only job is to soften the consonant before it. For example, L is hard, L is soft, B is hard, B is soft. It simply adds that gentle Y like softness to the consonant. The hard sign also has no sound. It is used much less often, but its function is the opposite. It keeps the consonant hard and separates it from the softening effects of the next vowel. For example, in the word object, the hard sign tells you that the B should stay hard, and the next vowel, Y, should start a new separate sound instead of something it. That's foundation you need before we move on to reading. Now that we will learn the full Russian alphabet, it's time to read your very first Russian syllables and words. I'll guide you step by step, and you can repeat everything out loud with me. Russian is mostly phonetic. One letter gives you one main sound, so if you know the letters, you can already start reading. Let's begin with the basic building blocks, simple syllables. There are three very common types. First, consonant plus vowel. Just say the consonant first, then the vowel. Repeat after me. Ma, da, ba, ga, sa. Second, vowel plus consonant. Here you begin with the vowel. At, os. Third, consonant plus vowel plus consonant. This gives us small full words. Let's try together. Дом, кот, сын. Now let me show you a simple method you can use for reading any new words. Step 1, find the vowel. The vowel is at the center of the syllable. Step 2, say the vowel alone. Step 3, add the consonant before it. Step 4, add the consonant after it. For example, the word dom, first say o, then do, then dom. Another important idea is softness. A consonant becomes soft when it is followed by one of these vowels. Ye, yo, I, you, ya. To make a consonant soft, move your tongue slightly forward, almost as if there is a light Y sound inside. Here is a quick contrast. La, ля, та, тя. Now let's practice a little reading together. Repeat after me. Ma, па, ба, да, ва, га, ла, са, ап, ад, ас, мама, папа, дом, кот. Word with soft sound. Ля, мя, нё. And now a few simple words you already know from earlier examples. Вода, гора, сыр, яблоко. Let's try a short drill. I'll say a word and you repeat it. Ма, да, дом, сыр, вода, яблоко, жук, ёлка. Excellent! Before we finish, here are a few common beginner mistakes to avoid. Don't make Russian vowels too short or too English sounding. Don't forget to soften consonants before the softening vowels. And don't rush, start slowly, sound out each letter, and then blend naturality. Your homework for independent practice is written in the description of this video. Check it out after you finish the lesson and repeat it every day to improve your reading. In the next lesson, we will start reading short Russian phrases and real sentences in Russian. See you there!